New materials play a key role in solving global challenges. At Fox Composites, we design, develop and manufacture the next generation of ceramic composites. Originally developed for extremely demanding aerospace applications, ceramic composites are lightweight, damage-tolerant, and have extraordinary high-temperature capabilities. They can help energy-intensive, high-temperature industries to increase process efficiency and reduce carbon footprint, as well as enabling new, rapidly emerging green industries. While ceramic composites perform exceptionally well in niche markets, they currently lack serial production capabilities to enable volume applications. With our proprietary infusion technologies, iFox and Vasi, developed and proven at the German Aerospace Centre, our goal is to deliver efficient, automatable and scalable production solutions for ceramic composites for the first time.